How to fix blurry graphics in Roblox Mobile. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to fix blurry graphics in Roblox Mobile. Whether you are on Android or iPhone, these quick tips will help you make your game look crystal and clear again. Let's get started. Step 1. Change graphic settings in Roblox. First, open Roblox and tap the three dots on the bottom right. Go to Settings, then Graphics Mode. Switch it from automatically to manual. Now, increase the graphics quality slider to a higher number. I recommend 7 to 10 for a better visuals. Step 2. Turn off Performance Mode. Still in Settings, check if there's an option called Performance Mode. If it's turned on, turn it off. This will allow Roblox to run in full quality mode. Step 3. Boost device resolution. If you're using Android, go to your phone settings, display, screen resolution. Make sure it's set to a high or W key HD more plus. Then restart your Roblox. Step 4. Clear Roblox cache or reinstall. If it's still blurry, try clearing the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Roblox, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If you're on iPhone, just delete and reinstall the Roblox app. Step 5. Update everything. And last tip, make sure both Roblox and your phone system are up to date. Sometimes, blurry graphics are just bugs that get fixed with updates. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to fix blurry graphics in Roblox Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.